Hello students, welcome to VLearn. In this video, we are going to see about classification of matter from some basic concepts of chemistry. See, matter is classified into pure substance and mixture. This pure substance is further classified into element and compound. So mixture is classified into homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. This is the classification of matter. This is just an outline. We will look at each and every classification in detail. So classification of matter. We know matter is classified into mixture and pure substance. So we are going to see about mixture. So what is a mixture? When two or more pure substance combine together, then that is called a mixture. See here, a mixture contains particles of two or more pure substances which may be presented at any ratio. Okay, see, the pure substance ratio can be anything for a mixture. It can be 1:1, 2:1, 3:1, 4:5, whatever the ratio it can be. Okay, so when two or more pure substance combine together, then that is called a mixture, and the ratio must be any. Next, we are going to see about components. Okay, as I already told, two pure substance combine together to form a mixture. Okay, those pure substances which constitutes a mixture is called as components. So mixture is classified into homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. So in homogeneous mixture, the compounds are completely mixed with each other, and there will be uniform distribution throughout the mixture, and their composition is also uniform. Example, sugar solution. See, in sugar solution we have water and sugar, right? Both will uniformly mix together, and wherever we take, see, in a glass, if in a glass of sugar solution, if I'm going to take 1 spoon of sugar solution, means that spoon sugar solution will also contain the same composition of sugar and the same composition of water, right? That is called the uniformity. Okay, next, in heterogeneous mixture, the composition is not at all uniform. Okay, and it can be easily separated using physical methods such as hand picking, filtration, crystallization, distillation, etc. And the examples are mixture of salt and sugar. Okay, salt, and when salt and sugar mixed together, we can easily see which is salt and which is sugar, right? But in case of homogeneous mixture like sugar solution, we cannot separately see the sugar, and we cannot separately see the water. Both will combine together, and the separation is not at all visible in case of homogeneous mixture, but in case of heterogeneous mixture, the separation is easily visible. And the other example is grains, pulses, and dirt. Okay, we can easily see what grain is mixed with what pulses and where the dirt is. Everything is easily visible. So this is called a homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. And here we have a pictorial representation. See, here we have homogeneous mixture where sand is mixed with water. See, look at this water plus sand image. Sand is there, it is clearly visible, and water is there, and there is not a uniformity. Sand settles down and water is there here, right? So we have two phase. One is a solid phase and another one is a liquid phase. Okay, but in case of homogeneous mixture, see here, salt is mixed with water, and here is a solution. I cannot see the salt in the solution separately, right? And it is a single phase mixture, that is called a homogeneous mixture. Okay, next we are going to see about pure substances. So the characters of pure substances is different, entirely different from the mixture, and their constituents or in a fixed composition. So see example, copper, silver, gold, water, and glucose. See, for example, glucose contains carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Everything were in a fixed ratio. Okay, see, we know the molecular formula of glucose is C6 H12 and O6. Only 6 carbon can be there. Only 12 hydrogens can be there, and only 6 oxygen can be there in a glucose molecule, right? So its composition is fixed one. Okay, that is called a pure substance. See, the pure substance is classified into element and compound. In order to understand about element and compound, first you should know about atoms and molecules. See, in our periodic table, we see n number of atoms, right? Hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus. So many atoms we see in our periodic table, right? So each and every atom, only single atom is called atom. When two or more atoms combine together, then that is called a molecule. See, here we have only one hydrogen, then that is called an atom. Here, 1, 2, and 3 atoms. Okay, 2 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom combined together to form a water molecule, right? So if only one atom is present, then we will call it as atom. When two or more atoms combine together, we call it as a molecule. Now coming back, we will learn about elements and compounds. Okay, see, element means that will contains only one type of atom. Okay, and these particles exist as atoms or even molecules. Example is sodium, copper, silver, hydrogen, oxygen, etc. See, look at this image. Two carbon atoms combine together and they form a molecule. Okay, we call it as an element because only one category of atom is there. Okay, in this molecule only one category, only oxygen is present, so we call it as an element. But in case of compound, see here, two or more atoms can of different elements can combine. Here in case of elements, two or more atoms of the two or more atoms, more same atom should combine. But in case of compound, two or more different atoms can combine together. Okay, example, water, ammonia, carbon dioxide, sugar, etc. See here, compound, one is a carbon but the other two are oxygen, so different atoms. When different atoms combine together, then we call it as compound. When the same atoms combine, we call it as element. See here, this is a pictorial representation. Here atoms of an element. So oxygen exists in O2, right? So both are oxygen atoms. So we call it as an element. And here molecule, okay. Again, it is a element only because nitrogen also exists as N2 state, right? So two nitrogen atoms combined together. So this is atom and this is a molecule of an element. Here only one oxygen is present, so this is called atom. Here two nitrogens are present, more than one atom is combined together, then we call it as molecule. And here these both are element, but here it is a compound because oxygen is getting combined with carbon. Okay, and here it is a mixture because we have oxygen, we have carbon, we have nitrogens, and there is no fixed ratio. See here, one carbon and two oxygen, one carbon, two oxygen, one carbon and two oxygen, right? But here when we take this portion, we have one carbon, two oxygen. When we take this portion, we will have two nitrogens. So the constituents and the ratio are not fixed, so it is a mixture. Okay, please like my video, share and subscribe. Thank you.